Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the bell icon and thumbs up like button if you like this video. Get serious about gaming with the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme Liquid Cool series of gaming computers. These gaming powerhouses have everything you need to beat the competition. They come equipped with the latest generation of blazing fast Intel Core processors for ultimate performance. The Gamer Xtreme Liquid Cool series also features efficient liquid cooling systems to maximize CPU performance and longevity, and powerful discrete graphics cards to provide stunning visuals and ultra-smooth graphics. Destroy the competition with the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme series of gaming desktops. The Gamer Xtreme series features the latest generation of high-performance Intel Core processors and ultra-quick DDR RAM to easily handle system-intensive tasks, such as high-definition video playback and gaming. Coupled with powerful discrete video cards, the Gamer Xtreme series provides a smooth gaming and multimedia experience.